In this video, we are going to talk about all things high-ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain to you what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, the difference between high-ticket and low-ticket, and which one you should get started with if you're just starting out with your affiliate marketing business. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to do to start high-ticket affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers, security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, and high-ticket coaching as an affiliate. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video if you want to learn real tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Maybe you've seen a few videos where people are talking about high-ticket affiliate marketing, why you should start high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing is the only way to make real money online in 2022. I'm here to tell you, first of all, that's not the case. You can make money with any ticket affiliate marketing, but since you're here, let's go ahead and get right into it. High ticket affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission of $500 or more. Now that number can vary just a little bit, but we're going to use that as a metric. And most notably, high ticket affiliate marketing can be done with anything, but it's usually found with online courses. There are high ticket programs for TVs and all sorts of stuff, but most notably it's for online courses. And so let's go ahead and talk about the differences between high ticket affiliate marketing and low ticket affiliate marketing with the help of a whiteboard. So I'm over here on my computer and I'm on this whiteboard. Usually what people will do with low ticket affiliate marketing, for example, when I promoted security cameras, I'd come up to the traffic source. Maybe it's a YouTube channel, it's a blog, it could even be social media. So what I would do is I would come here with my traffic source, create content for free, and then send them over to the offer. I'm going to try and draw a camera here. Please forgive me. It is not going to be very good, but you can get the idea. So this would be what you would want to do for low ticket, okay? And this works. This works all day, every day. If you go over to YouTube and you type in best security cameras for whatever, or best stand mixers for whatever, you're going to see that people are doing this all day, every day, and making very good money. And so let's say you're promoting a security camera that is $200, okay? $200 right here, and the commission is only 3%. And so if we do the math, real quick, we'll say 200 multiplied by 3%, you're looking at $6 per sale, okay? And so this is important to know if you are looking to get started with affiliate marketing. If your goal is to make $100 per day, you would need to make, what is that? You would need to make, let's say, 20 sales. If you wanted to make $100 per day, you would need to make 16 sales per day. So let's just do 17. And we'll say like equals $100 per day. Is that possible? Yes. It will take a little bit longer to get there because we know that affiliate marketing is a real business. And so real businesses can take time to scale. But 17 sales is possible and probable, and a lot of people are doing it. Okay, so that's low ticket. This is most instances the case of low ticket affiliate marketing. With high ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to be earning sales of $500 or more. And usually the way that you do it is a little bit different. So you're going to do traffic and you're going to send them to a landing page. Now you can send them to a landing page with low ticket affiliate marketing. Most people don't. Okay. And so on the landing page, you are going to call out a problem, how to do X without Y. Okay, without Y. You are going to collect their name and their email address. And when you do that, two things are going to happen. One, you are going to be added, or you're going to add your target audience to an email list. And then you are going to send them directly over to a bridge page. Now, that bridge page usually has a video of some sort in most cases where you're talking about the problem and solution. Now, the reason why you want to do this for high ticket affiliate marketing is because on the traffic side, people are coming to know, like, and trust you. And what you need to do is let them know that you don't have the solution, but the person you are referring them to has the solution, okay? And so what will happen is we will have a little button here. I'm going to put some $signs here because this is your affiliate link. And your goal is to have people watch the short video. Video can be less than 5 minutes long, and have them click the button below. Your call to action is going to be click the button below. And so we're going to draw another page here. This is actually going to be the sales page. And on the sales page, in most instances, you are going to see another video where people are explaining the problem and the solution. Now, what I like to do is I like to draw a little drawbridge here of Shrek and Donkey crossing the bridge to get to Princess Fiona, okay? And so this bridge page is simply designed to introduce the person or people that have the solution. And most often, you are going to try the sales page. Their goal is to get them to click on the button and buy. And when that happens, you make money. Now, in the year of 2022, most often with online courses especially, this page here links to a $7 offer or a low ticket offer. We'll say something less than $100. And as the affiliate, we're going to get paid somewhere between 20 and 40% for this low ticket offer. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of courses out there that are selling $7. You would get paid like $2.80, for example. Okay, most people don't buy right away. And so what you're going to do is you're simply going to send them emails reminding them of the problem and solution. Okay, that is my envelope. I apologize for that. And so what you're going to do is you're going to consistently send them an email reminding them of the problem and the solution. Okay? And so most people, it will take between 5 and 12 touch points before a viewer becomes a buyer. So this is 1 with your traffic. This may be 2, 3, 4, and this is day 5, okay, for an affiliate offer for a course. But you're just going to send them here back to this offer. And once you do that, your job, for all intents and purposes, is done. And so the goal of the high ticket coaching program will be to get you on a call to close a high ticket deal. All right. And so if we just do the math here real quick, you're going to earn $2.80 for the low ticket offer. And then you might earn $500 on a few high ticket offers. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions, and there are a few of them, when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing is just because someone purchases this $2.80 offer does not mean they're going to come down and buy the $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 offer. In fact, excuse me, what happens most often is, I'm going to try and draw a little pyramid here. I'm going to draw an inverted pyramid. What happens most often is this first level is traffic. So traffic. The second level here is the low ticket offer, LT. And then all the way down here are the people that buy the high ticket offer. And so what winds up happening is, and this one right here, we'll say like reoccurring R because that is an option as well. So what often happens is there will be a lot of people that enter the top of your funnel up here, whether it's to get that free gift, that lead magnet that you're offering, or to just watch your traffic, watch your content. There will be some people that take you up on this $2.80 offer, but there will be very few people that will actually take you up relative. We'll say very few people relative to the amount of traffic that you get that will take you up on the $500 commission. And so what you'll want to do is you will want to drive a lot of traffic. Now you can drive the traffic free or paid, but ultimately you want to try and drive a lot of traffic. Now, why people tell you that you need to start high ticket affiliate marketing is because if your goal is to make $100 per day, you just need one sale a week, essentially, to make your one sale every 5 days to make your goal. And it's doable, but that's something that, again, you're going to scale to. If you are just getting started, it might be easier for you to get started with low ticket offers that people know, like, and understand already. People that are looking for the best camera for YouTube videos understand the problem and solution, and so they're going to be more readily, in a lot of cases, more readily willing and able to take advantage of going over to Amazon and making a purchase. However, if someone is on this path to buying a course, they might be looking at multiple courses. They might be looking at multiple problems and solutions. For example, if there's a course on how to make money online, they might be looking at affiliate marketing, drop shipping, fulfilled by Amazon, wholesaling, couch flipping. They might be looking at multiple problems and solutions. And so this might take a little bit more time. And that's why you have the email follow-up sequence. Now, this is essentially high ticket and low ticket affiliate marketing step by step. Is one better than the other? Not really. You have to align your expectations when you're doing low ticket affiliate marketing and with high ticket affiliate marketing as well. You just want to make sure that you are promoting products and services that are related to the problem and solution. The people that are looking for the best DSLR camera aren't interested in most cases in taking a course to make money online. So that's going to be very important when it comes to trying to get started with high ticket or low ticket. And there's a low ticket opportunity, I would say, in a lot of niches. You just have to do a little bit of research to find that out. And so if you are looking to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, this is the blueprint or the map that I have successfully promoted online courses. I've promoted a number of different things. And so I kind of know what I'm talking about. And the other thing here with this high ticket program, especially with online courses, is there are a bunch of things that they might need in addition. Once again, and this might be a main driver of getting started with online courses, is let's say you were promoting make money online affiliate marketing. I didn't know I could do that. You might then also promote email marketing, because that's something that they will also need. Email marketing. You might also promote web hosting, because everybody should have a website, web hosting. If you understand the solution, then you can make more money. You can also do the same thing with low ticket affiliate marketing when it comes to a camera. You might also promote, and the reason why I'm using camera is because I'm looking into getting a different camera. You might also promote a lens. And there might be a course out there on Udemy that will teach you how to use a DSLR camera for YouTube. You might even be able to promote YouTube courses, okay? And when you start looking at this, is there an opportunity to make money, substantial amount of money, with both high ticket and low ticket affiliate marketing? The answer is yes, when you really understand the problem and the solution. This person over here wants to get started with YouTube, starting a YouTube channel, or they're not satisfied with their video. In the previous video, my camera was a little blurry, and so I'm looking into that. And I'm not skilled when it comes to videography. And so I might be looking or interested in getting a course that can help me make my videos look a little bit better. I might also look into software. And so that's another thing that you could promote. Now, I didn't want this to turn into a full tutorial or training, but as you can see here, people that tell you to only promote high ticket affiliate marketing don't necessarily know what they're doing, because if you have the right game plan, if you have the right frame of mind, you can be successful promoting high ticket and low ticket products, okay? So a lot of people are going to push you into promoting high ticket products because they see it as easier, but promoting low ticket products the right way could be more profitable in the long run. And we just came up with a bunch of things that we could promote in addition to this camera that could help us make money. Now, the key is getting people on the mailing list, and you want to make sure that you are addressing problems and solutions. And if you wanted to do that with, let's say, this camera, you could say, hey, look, get this free guide to better videography, or get this free guide to learn how to use your camera correctly. And that would be something that I would actually be interested in, because I just spent 10 minutes looking up a tutorial on YouTube on how to change the timer for the video setting on that camera that's behind me. So if you know how to do marketing, high ticket versus low ticket, it doesn't matter, because you'll understand that the customer has multiple problems and there are multiple solutions for that problem. And if you do it right, you can make a full-time income, whatever your income goal is. Now that you know high ticket affiliate marketing versus low ticket affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description for my free unemployed handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.